What's up, guys? What's up, bros? We head into Darjeeling. Looking for our coaches and our seats. We are waiting for a bit and matching with our seat numbers, and so anyways, we are about to go to Sattu's room. Wait a minute, please. We are on second class AC and they are on first class AC. So this is first class AC and yeah. What's up? So exactly 11:20 আমাদের ট্রেন ছেড়ে দিয়েছে. So yeah. So this is the crib for the night. Yeah. Yeah, this is the dinner for the night. Biryani actually. And yeah, so this is for dinner today. Tandoor burger biryani and dosa. I don't know if it's possible to see outside, but yeah. We are heading to NJP and then I think গাড়ি ভাড়া করে দার্জিলিং ডাইরেক্ট ওখান থেকে. So just dinner করলাম and yeah, dinner করলাম biryani. Now heading, I think I'll sleep probably right now. We are heading to NJP right now. The train is 40 minutes late so far, but yeah. Heading on. Train থেকে নেমে গেছি. We have Sattu vlogs.
Real price. Now we have finally reached, not really but yeah.
NJP পৌঁছে গেছি. এখন আমরা গাড়ি করে প্রায় 3 hours লাগছে এখন যেতে. তো
W journey. Paper একটু ডিস্ট্রেসে ছিল প্রথমের দিকে, but yeah, actually he was in distress when he was first put in the carrier. फिर ट्रेन पे उठने के बाद it was completely fine. He was enjoying the facilities.
you just needed to adjust.
Yeah, because he's never been in such a closed area. That's why.
আমরা এখন NJP চলে এসেছি. বৃষ্টির কারণে কাদা হয়ে গেছে পুরো রাস্তায়, তো ঠিক ভিডিও করা যাচ্ছে না, কারণ লাগেজও সামলাতে হচ্ছে সাথে সাথে. তো পরে ভিডিও করবার করে we have came to halt at our trip.
এরকম তো মাথাটা তো অনেক বড়।
So we are waiting here for some time, then we will have our breakfast or brunch like that, and we still have time. We are still heading to Darjeeling right now. We still have 2 hours left for the road trip, and yeah. Bro, what's up to vlogs?
Yeah, man, taking responsibility now.
What? Whose responsibility? Where's Pepper?
Sure.
I can't even see her. We got our foods, man. After
Now time to dig in like a kingpin.
Kingpin.
No, I don't know. Bro, I had to rhyme it with something, so I just tried it.
যত ঘুমায় তত ভালো।
Let's go.
হ্যাঁ ও নল
Still waiting, man. Still waiting. তো আমরা হচ্ছে বেরোচ্ছিলাম এখান থেকে, আমাদের ব্রাঞ্চ হয়ে গেছে। তো we are literally inside a cloud right now. Like the whole place is now fogged up just because of this cloud. See, there's zero visibility, man. Not much batteries left anymore. So I don't think so আমি vlog বেশি করতে পারবো, বাট ট্রাই করছি যতটা করা যায়, কারণ ব্যাটারি একদম নেই। হোটেলে গিয়ে চার্জ দিয়ে আবার vlog স্টার্ট করবো, আই গেস। সো জিরো ভিজিবিলিটি। আমরা এখন গাড়ি থেকে নেমে গেছি আর we are heading to the hotel right now. Bro, so what do you want to say, bro?
So, difference in AQI. I was just
AQI.
talking about that, buddy.
WAQI.
You can smell the fresh air.
WAQI, man.
I heard you pitch so low.
Huh? So guys, বেজে গেছে 5:30. We are entering Mahal right now. Yes.
Time to visit places. Oh my
Time
god,
to
that's
visit
so
places.
So
Yes.
horrible.
Yes. Time to visit places.
Sattu Vlogs has lost his prime. I used to be so natural back in the day.
Yeah, what happened, man?
Where are we going?
Man. Express the cold, man.
Bro, this is the kind of cold which you... Bro, be careful, you're gonna get absolutely smothered. This is the kind of cold which is comfortable out here, bro. You never feel bad.
Bro, my hands are whiter, bro.
Man, this is the kind of comfortable cold that you need, bro.
take a photo also.
Me too, actually.
iPhone.
एक्स्ट्रा प्लेट लीजिए, एक प्लेट लीजिए, आपको एक प्लेट लीजिए।
আইতো
এটা আমরা বাউন্ডারি করে দিয়েছি।
আন্টি बताओ
Generally speaking, it's the same as anywhere. Just having it for the taste. Good. Almost died. No, I didn't die.
হ্যাঁ তো আমরা ওখানে খেলাম, ওর তো আবার কি শরীর খারাপ লাগছিল।
Oh, it's recording. Oh.
Yeah. Altitude reasons.
No.
Digestive reasons as
Probably
well.
maybe gas and
Yeah, that's the thing. তো এখন আমাদের ওখানে খেলাম, তারপর এখন আমরা একটু বেরিয়েছি আর একটু ঘুরি, দেখি আর কি খেতে পারি। And
I came back. I came back from the hotel for food only. Nothing else. I don't care. I mean,
I'm
sure.
very hungry, man.
I want to eat. I don't care if I get fat, man.
Noah
Shit,
was
bro, so
very
good.
nice, man.
I,
Very nice.
I jumped that shit.
Noah,
It's so
Typho
funny.
was
It's such an oxymoron and a paradox. I had lungs, and my lungs stopped. I mean, didn't stop functioning, but like didn't efficiently function.
don't eat lungs, kids.
Eat air. What?
Eat air. Ah, yes. So that Noah was very nice. The Typho was very nice, and the momo is very
Upgraded.
different. Actually.
Upgraded momo.
Upgraded momo.
I have never had such momo. It's so tasty. It's not bland. Every momo you eat is good, but it's kind of bland compared to this. So flavorful, so juicy. It's
It's
perfect.
very juicy, you know. Bro, it's freezing, man. It's about 7 o'clock and it's freezing. Okay, I can't even hold the tripod because it's made of aluminum, but the temperature is so far showing 14 degrees, but it does not feel like 14 degrees. Like the air is also very fresh, like very different and very cold as well, you know. Have a good view. Explain your experience first, Shondhe, in Darjeeling.
I feel at peace. This is a place you come to when you have tons of stress and you just want to let go for
Especially
one moment.
after boards.
After boards,
Yes.
bro, I feel like an animal.
Okay, what the hell?
I just talked about peace, by the way. That's paradox.
Actually, it's very, very peaceful, especially because of Bangla and Bangla alone. Okay, I had to kill myself just to read Bangla.
Sure.
So yeah,
This is
we are now heading back. Like it's literally zero visibility, man. Very steep. We are back. আমরা এখন ডিনার করব।